Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Yes, I do like the Step Brothers movie. My name's Brandon. I'm a passionate outdoorsman. I love fishing, I love hunting, and what you can expect from this channel is relevant and honest information through fishing tips. Right there on the side, and that's showing that it's on. Then I'm gonna slowly turn that dial. When you're reeling them in, you wanna keep that rod down. Fishing techniques. So here's the bank, a shallow bank where that boat ramp is. What's up guys? Today I want to talk to you about fishing a hair jig. Behind the boat here, and then it's pushing in this creek where it's flattened out and shallow, and that's kind of the spots I'm looking for. DIY boat and fishing hack. Smoking that much, but obviously when I revved it, I was really smoking that thing. So I imagine it'll start building up more as it warms up. Just take the kind of the excess and push it down with my finger. Pop that pipe, or pop the whole mount out if I want it. Oklahoma light guide videos. And then it most likely cut back, swings right against these creeks, which is gonna make these areas really good. Stock northern largemouth, 60 of them. They were 18 to 20 inches long. Buyer's guides. And if you're an outdoorsman like me and like a little bit of hunting entertainment,
you might remember this spot from the last video we did her. This is the spot where we locked the keys in the car. Well, we haven't made it to camp yet, but we got a snake on the road.
I have a bit of that too. Overall, I've been working in the fishing industry for several years now, working with pro fishermen, bait designers, rod designers, industry experts, you name it, growing my knowledge and my passion for this sport, and I'm happy to be able to share that with you. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out through my email. I'll leave that on the screen now. Social media, however you want to. I would love to help any way I can, and I promise if you dig down below you'll find something that fits your needs. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.